If your app is showing service unavailable or try again later message, this usually means maintenance, but you still have options. So let's look at them. First of all, retry after 10 to 15 minutes. Also, switch network connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. And if you're not able to do that, then go ahead and switch to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then if that does not work, try your web version. Open the Safari app and then search for online.citi.com and try it over there. Check if Citi status updates. Tip: late night hours often trigger maintenance windows. So that's it. Subscribe